it's Raquel Bowman here, and today I'm excited to be sharing a cute little package that has recently arrived in the mail. I've been asked to be a guest designer for Cheeky Studio, who you can find on Facebook and on their website, so I'll make sure to link them below. And they've sent me a little package of goodies that I wanted to share with you before I get creating. So let's open it up and see what's in there. So I did get to have a little look and choose a couple of things that I really loved on the site. So I did pick a couple of cut files that I thought I could create with, and then some of their die cut packs. So if you're not familiar with them, they're more of an embellishment store run by Tuesday Hubbard, and they have die cuts and sequins packs and lots of cute little bits and pieces that you can check out. Some really themey sort of stuff as well. So it comes wrapped in this, it's come wrapped in this gorgeous tissue paper. Here's the details there. So that's cheeky.studio is where you can find it, and then there's all the links and things here. And then the pack which I was really loving was this floral pack here. So this is called Winter Flowers, and then I thought that these cute little bows would coordinate really nicely, and this sequins pack, which is the Winter Flowers sequins pack as well. So it's got a mix of greens, pinks, and an opaly colour, a darker pink in the sequins pack. The bows, there are how many? 5 bows in the pack, and they're just a really cute little gingham bow. And then I'll go through the ephemera pieces with you and show, there's heaps in there, show you what you get. Bit noisy, sorry. Okay, let's zoom you in, and I might actually have a fiddle with my exposure as well. That looks a little better now. So basically what this pack comes with is lots of gorgeous floral pieces. I really liked the soft colours in this with the greys of the leaves. So there's some larger size pieces, some smaller ones. Trying to get an idea of what's in here, and lots of smaller leaf designs and larger floral pieces. You see all those okay? Bring them down a little bit. Some leaves. And I just, when I saw this pack, I was thinking of how much fun it would be to layer and build, you know, your own floral clusters with it. I thought that would be really fun. Oh, these are the ones here. They look a bit like a succulent. So there is so many in here. I think that what I might make is, I was thinking of making a layout, and I'll just show you one of the cut files. So this is one of the cut files that I've cut out ready to create with. Can you see that a bit better? No, that hasn't really helped. Let me grab a piece of card. There's a piece of card there. So it's got a gorgeous sort of dream catcher design with a floral, and I thought that this would work well with these pieces. And then I have printed a photo out as well to use, because I thought that the colours in my top would work well with that as well. So this is my little haul from Cheeky Studio. As I mentioned, you can find them at cheeky.studio online, and I'll be back really soon to share a project that I've created with these goodies. Bye everyone.